Hey everybody, Adam Savage in my cave with an unboxing from our friends at Regal Robot. I'm not going to say this is a departure for them, but this piece is a very ambitious piece. I have been very excited about seeing this. In here is a frickin' Wampa. Yeah, the creature that attacks Luke in Empire Strikes Back, in the ice cave, the Wampa. Just a spectacular. I mean, Empire is, without a doubt, my favorite Star Wars movie. And don't get me wrong, I love Star Wars itself, of course. But yeah, Empire was the gateway drug to the rest of my life. Okay, I see how we're going here. So we've got a figurehead here. What a lot of people don't realize is that the Wampa you see in the film is not an animatronic figure, it's actually a puppet. They made a figure, they shot with a costume, but the ILM VFX crew was not totally happy with what they got, so they asked George if they could try a different method, and Phil Tippett drew this up, sculpted this puppet. Apparently, Nilo Rodis Jamero and Joe Johnston helped operate this on set. Paul Hirsch directed what Phil said, all 72 frames, just about 3 seconds worth of material. And this is a 1-to-1 scale replica of that shooting puppet. I mean, to be fair, when does something like this ever show up? And Tom Spina and his team are uniquely qualified to achieve what seems impossible, both in their restoration and in their rote fabrication. There's apparently tons of details on this that have never seen the light of day, including, oh my God, oh wow. Oh, I can already tell how excited I am. Okay, that is just a plaque in an envelope. Excellent. Oh, okay, so yeah, this is the, with the signature edition, each comes signed by Phil Tippett, and then the higher edition is an actual pencil sketch from Phil Tippett, including his signature. So that's not a reproduction of a Phil Tippett pencil sketch. That's a Phil Tippett pencil sketch. Look at this gnome. Oh, he's beautiful. Oh, I didn't know you had ears. Apparently Tom Spina and his team went back to the archives several times to really get to know this piece and to understand its structure and figure out how to make it. When they filmed with it, they did not need a back, and so the filming puppet does not have any fur on its back, but for display, Regal Robot added that on. Oh man, look at how pretty you are. Okay, I gotta get a flashlight, excuse me. Oh, dude, okay. So, among the things that are surprising, oh, wow. You literally only ever see this for 3 seconds, but did you know that his eyes are brown? It's true. His eyes are actually brown. And in his, oh my goodness, he's got such, he's so pretty. He's got like, not just teeth in the front, but teeth that go back and broken teeth. Like there's this whole narrative to his life. Right, there's these little, oh wow. So also, Tom replicated the snow on the Wampa's face, and this technique that they used at Regal Robot is the exact same technique that Phil Tippett used to make snow on the actual Wampa. They matched the fur as closely as they possibly could. Tom suggested that when they were investigating the Wampa at the archives, they used a borescope to look inside the mouth, and that gave them details that no one had ever seen before. And Tom said, you should take a borescope in there, so I will. By the way, the box that it came in had some lovely Star Wars sticker on the outside. I carefully removed it, and now it lives on my Borescope box. All right. Okay, here we go. Recording video and looking into the Wampa's mouth here. Oh wait, I wanna make this a little brighter. That's it. Okay. Oh, what a horror show. It's beautiful back there. Oh my God, they've painted his upper palate entirely. There's like whole sets of back teeth back there. Hold on, I gotta dim this a little bit. It's a little bright. There we go. Oh, wow. Woo! All right, my footage is terrible, but Norm will get better footage, and then it will look fine. Let's see here. I also want to see if you can see in the eyes, if you can see that they're brown. Yes, you can. They have a lovely brown hue. All right. Hang on, I'm going to do... Oh, yeah. You guys. You know, there's an aspect to the creatures that Phil sculpts, and that there's always a level of personality that surprises you. I mean, this isn't just a monster. There's a way in which, with the eye wrinkles and the eyelids and his ears, which aren't perfectly centered on his head, he feels like a cranky old man. Frankly, this feels like what would happen to Phil if you left him alone for too long out in the tundra. This is Phil. And I totally feel like I'm seeing a fully realized character here. He's cranky. Why is he being disturbed? I feel like I see all of that. My only sadness about this is that I can't operate it like a real puppet. That is the only thing I would add. This is an absolutely jaw-dropping sculpt. And the paint, literally, you can take a flashlight as deep as you want, and there's no spot in which you don't see Wampa. Regal Robot has finished everything that you can see. It is really lovely. And it is real fur, but it has been tacked down with what looks like a wax and some other stuff. A stunner, an absolute stunner of display. It's not for your hats. This is just for your enjoyment of your Star Wars legacy. Yeah, it would be terrible to put a hat on him. Oh. Yeah, thank you guys for joining me for this unboxing. What a magnificent, magnificent piece. I would watch a whole movie about him. At this point, looking at this guy, I'm totally interested in this character. Thank you guys for joining me. I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching that video. Your support allows us to make more of this great content. If you'd like to help us on a deeper level even, head over to tested-store.com because we've got stickers. Who doesn't love stickers? Our anime-inspired Tested logo in Japanese. Follow the process, not the plan. It's not a process. It's not a problem to solve, it's a process to manage. Other aphorisms that have come from my mouth. And we have just made a full set of our demerit badges in sticker form. So you can cover your toolbox with all of your screw-ups and celebrate it with other makers. Thank you guys so much. See you next time.